wanted to make my school proud. I want to join Alliance Girls High School. In the future, I want to become a neurosurgeon.
The secret behind my success is putting the Almighty Father on the front. I would like to join Kenya High, and I would like to pursue neurosurgeon.
My vision is to be a surgeon.
When I grow up, I want to be a neurosurgeon, and my dream school is Kenya High School.
I look forward to join Alliance Boys High School and pursue the course of neurosurgeon. Yes.
Yes, I thank God, and I would like to join. I would like to join Alliance Girls High School, and in the future, I would like to become a surgeon.
My dream school is Mangu High. I want to go there and study aviation, so as to fulfill my dream and become a pilot in future.
Good. That's great.